Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to activate Robinhood debit card. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface in the app. Now, in order to activate the Robinhood debit card, here in this home page, at the bottom left corner, you can see this wallet icon. You need to select this. I recently created my account and my account is not verified yet. Due to that reason, the wallet option is not showing up for me. But if your account is verified, you will be able to access this wallet option easily. You can go to this wallet section, and if you scroll down, and in the debit card section, you can see the option, have you received your card? You can tap on it and select the option yes, and it will prompt you with the activate your card option. Select activate or continue. Now you need to provide the expiration date for the debit card of your Robinhood account. You can select the date as you like. After that, you need to set the PIN for your debit card. Then after, it will ask you for your locations. You can turn on your location services. And there you go, your debit card will be now ready for use. That's how you can successfully activate your debit card of Robinhood account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.